Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. I hope that the day one video was helpful for you. Again, ideally, if you're watching this video, that means you completed the day one research table at the top and you have an idea of where to start. And so if you've completed that, great, you are ready to move on to the day two stuff, because that way you will get all the goodness from that research that you did, and you're gonna put that in that claim evidence reasoning template. So let's talk about what we're doing today. All right, so complete the claim evidence reasoning table below. Feel free to use the information from your research, and if it's in your own words, you can use a lot of that directly as well, right? If you use quotes, please identify which resource it come from. So you can copy and paste the link of the resource it came from, or you could just put your quote and then in parentheses put resource one, and I'll obviously get that it's whatever this resource was, right? So, because I'll have access to this document, obviously. So your claim will be here. So it should be the same as the claim here, which again, this claim, like I said, should be one of these listed unless you otherwise checked in with me and said, no, miss, I want to do, this is my claim, right? But it should be one of those three possible there. What evidence is provided to support your claim? So you should write 4 to 5 sentences that summarize how the evidence you gathered from your research supports the claim, right? So what are some pieces of evidence and why do you think it's supporting why you're right? Think about how you're gonna use these to really say, like, this is how I'm gonna convince Miss P, like, these are the evidence, this is the evidence that I'm using. For number 3, the reasoning part, provide reasoning for the claim by connecting the evidence with the claim, right? So explain clearly, well, the reason why this is a piece of evidence is because this is how it supports this claim, and you're going to kind of add and connect the information a little bit more in that section. And so really that's it. Again, can you copy paste some things directly from this research table? Yes. Please remember, if you are using like the quote, you need to say, like, put the quotation marks, right? And then in parentheses, put if it's from resource 1, 2, or 3. And all of this information here should have been in your own words. All this information here should have been in your own words. So can you use segments of that to help you? For sure. If it's in your own words, yes, that's not, you're not plagiarizing yourself, right? You're using the notes that you took, and now you're going to kind of put it in a nice, coherent, written, I don't want to say paragraph, but written section, and you'll have those pieces there, right? So again, as I said, day one, that stuff is super important. It will help you a lot with this. So make sure you finish that up. Again, once you finish that, you have time. So if you want to take a break, if it's like, let's say Wednesday or Thursday, right, the second class, and you want to take a break, you could go back. It's not due until Friday. So you could go back on Friday morning and kind of look through and be like, yeah, this makes sense. I'm good with this, right? And then submit it. So I'm hoping that this video helped. And feel free to message me any questions you have, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.